Ooh, welcome, man. Whoa. Uh-oh, y'all see that? 184. This one did good. If this is the first time it's ticking, guys, this is challenging. Y'all hear that? All right, who's out there good? What y'all think? Left side, right side? If I was a guessing man, betting man, I would bet this side. All right, buddy of mine, guys. So I'm just gonna yank this valve cover off, take a real good look down there and see what we got. All right, I got all that unplugged because I got it running. I don't know why I got it running now. It's hot. All right, so yeah, that is definitely a tick. Now, did it eat into the camshaft low? I don't know. You don't know nothing until you get the valve cover off, and that's fairly easy. Intake got to come off, but yeah, guys, I got work to do. Let me go grab some tubes. All right, guys, I got the Bank 1 valve cover off. Who guessed the noise is on the right side? Probably was right, guys, because looking at this, yeah, you can see that rock on right there. Let me see some. Ooh, it's still hot. Yep, that's moving, guys. So my noise, my problem is right here. Now look, you can see where it started to eat into the cam. It's only on the outside, guys. The key here is the center. All right, so basically, guys, this is a real quick patch job. I don't want you guys out there doing customer cars like this. My man's told me to just get rid of the tick. I think he about to trade it in or something. He don't want it to be ticking, or he about to sell it. So, right? Right there, I can take it in the shop. So yeah, my man said get rid of the tick, and he gonna trade it in or sell it. It's good. As y'all saw the mileage. It's pretty high mileage, but that did good. If that's the original, if these are the original rock arms, I'm gonna just do what he want. and the good part about this is on the end, so I don't have to mess with timing or anything like that. All right, now I'm gonna check them all while I got this valve cover off, but from what I can see, my problem is right here in what is this? 135, cylinder 5 on the intake side. Y'all hear that? Woo. Now also, guys, remember what we talked about, this little stuff right here that's powder shaving from, y'all see that? That is real micro powdered shaving coming from these rocker arms, okay? Yeah, all that little mist that goes on in the valve cover while the engine is running, these magnetic tone wheels will attract that, and they just end up on the wheels like this. So just grab it with a rag and wipe that stuff out. I need to have gloves on, but I got work to do, guys. Let's get it. All right, guys, I got this intake, Bank 1 intake camshaft lifted up just a little bit, just enough to get this out of here. Remember, guys, this is not a repair that you would do to a customer car, okay? He's getting ready to trade this in, so you just want the ticking to go away. Now, let me say this again. You do not need a motor just because your engine is ticking. A lot of guys out there getting estimates for complete engines. Oh my goodness. That is not the case, guys. Ooh, that's still hot. Yeah, that joker is shot. Okay. Well, I got some lifters right here. I think I'm gonna do this one and this one on this end just because I'm right there. And in fact, I have 2 new lifters. Now, I keep saying lifters. These are rock arms, guys. This is what failed and caused the ticking issue with the Pentastar 3.6. I know a lot of you guys, a piece of junk engine. No, they just, the vendors that supplied these rock arms, they're just bad rock arms. It's not a fatal flaw engine, nothing like that. The rock arms was just built poor quality. Now they got a handle on it. These are the new updated rock arms. So let me see if I can fish this in here, guys. It's still kind of hot, so I don't really want to film me doing this. But y'all get the drill. I'm gonna put it under there and then tighten everything back down. Torque everything back down there. Go with it. All right, hold tight. All right, got it in. There we go. All right, guys. Hey, no ticking, guys. 25 minutes later, this is how it's supposed to sound. Now, what I do with my the broken rocker, I already chunked it. Okay, so yes, found one broken rocker on 135 cylinder 5 intake side. All right, got it replaced. Remember guys, this is not a job you do for a paying customer, okay? Do not judge me. This is one of those quick shut it up so I can get rid of it deal. All right, now that's not on me. I did exactly what I was paid for, and it turned out to be a very quick, easy, in my opinion. Let me stop saying that. Well, everybody think they're easy and everybody try to jump in here head first, and I know I didn't have to fool with the timing, so most of the risk was out of it, guys. All right, so but the goal was to shut it up. Now it sounds like a pinner star. All right, look at that. Ding, 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 ding. Now we're gonna change the oil and get all that straight. And remember guys, low oil pressure can play a factor in that, so make sure you stay on top of your oil change. This car takes 5W20, all right, and a new filter. And that's it guys, I am done, man. I hope y'all don't take this video the wrong way. I'm constantly searching for material, whether it be a politically correct video or a quick half-ass video. It's material in my eyes. I'm just gonna make sure I explain to you guys what I'm up to. All right guys, thanks for watching.